everyone, today we are gonna make some 1 liter Oreo homemade ice cream. First take 2 Oreo, then semi crush the 2 Oreos. Then take a mixing bowl. Then we are gonna add 1 cup of whipped cream which is chilled, and we are gonna beat it until it has a soft peak in full speed. So my mother made this video as an uncut so that you can see how much minute it takes. So the full minute it takes 5 minutes. Now add 50 grams of condensed milk. Again beat it for 1 minute. Now add the crushed Oreo in it. Give it a mix. Now take 1 liter ice cream box. If you don't have 1 liter, you can take any ice cream box you want. Now pour the ice cream batter. Now let's level it out at the same height. 5 times. Now at last let's put some Oreo pieces at top. If you don't have Oreo pieces, you can put anything you want. Put in the freezer for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Take it out of the deep freezer after overnight. Now serve it. It's looking tasty and pretty at the same time. And the taste is very sweet and yummy. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.